हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। माय नेम इज़ मनीषा एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू वॉक you through installing Flutter and VS Code and creating first Flutter application too. So whether you are new to Flutter or looking to set up a development environment for the Flutter development, this video will guide you through each and every steps. So without wasting time, just let's get started. So let's first install the Flutter SDK. So go to the website flutter.dev and click on the get started, and you will be redirected to the installation site, and just install the latest Flutter Windows zip file for the Windows if you are using Windows. And after downloading this file, so I already have this downloaded file, so I'm not installing this. You have to go to the specified path directory where you have installed that Flutter SDK. So I just install here. So after installing that file, you have to set up the environment variable path. So let's copy this path and here search for the environment variable, and in environment variable you have to click on a path section and click on edit and add new and just put it down. I already have this path, so I'm not overriding this. So after adding this path, just click on OK. That's it. So now Flutter installation is complete. We will head to start the VS Code installation. And before starting for the VS Code installation, we just check for the Flutter is installed successfully or not. So open the command prompt and type Flutter doctor. So basically this warning is for because I am using the latest channel 3.22.2, but I have Flutter SDK of 3.19.62 in another directory, so this will not cause any issue in a Flutter application, so just ignore that file and let's check for the another what else this gives error or not. So yeah, here we go. All are working correct. I have VS Code installed, Android Studio installed, and other themes too, so this will not cause an issue. So here I'm installing VS Code. You just have to type the VS Code on a Google and you will be redirected to the official website of the VS Code. So just click on a download button and choose the platform you are in. I'm choosing Windows. And you will be redirected to the downloaded link of VS Code. So here I'm downloading. So once the download is completed, you just have to click on this file and accept the agreement and just click on next and choose the specified path where you want to install the VS Code. Using that default path and clicking on next VS Code. Click on next and create a desktop icon. And click on checkbox. This will directly open your code in a VS Code by default. So click on install. After completing installation, click on finish and VS Code is opening. So on view, command palette and click on a Flutter new project. Choose the redirectory. I'm selecting this and give the name of your Flutter project. My first Flutter app in VS Code.
एक मिनिट बघा लागेल.
So our further application is created and let's install the Flutter plugins. So go on to the extensions and type Flutter and click on install. I already have this. Okay, so just we will try to run our application. Here we will choose the emulator. So I already have these two emulators, so I'm using this. We are done with launching our first Flutter application, and we have successfully run our first Flutter application. And just let's explore about main file. So in a Flutter, we have the widgets, all UI, whatever you say in a Flutter mobile application. That's all about the widgets. So we have the stateless and stateful widgets. So we will discuss about this in a later video. Just letting you know that we are using stateless and stateful widget here, and this is the default application created by the Flutter when we first launch our application. So here we will try to change the theme of our application. So just remove this commented code. We don't need that. Type the color and control S. So here we have changed the color theme of our application from deep purple to the green. So let's walk through the code. Just removing, commenting code. Just wait for a second. This one it is. So yeah, the my app class is the root of our Flutter application, and it returns the material app widget, which provides a basic structure and styling for the Flutter application. After that, in a home, we have run our first class. It is a my home page. We can later change the name of these classes according to the application, and it is a stateful widget that manages the counter state. In a project, we are counting here and incrementing the count. So this is the thing that we are doing through the stateful widget. These things cannot be possible with the stateless widget. The main and basic difference between the stateless widget and stateful widgets are when we have only static UI just to show the text or image from the assets, we use the stateless widget. But if we have the dynamic UI, just like the counter state application we are doing now. So in this case, we use the stateful widget. It manages the state and rebuild our UI for whenever the it listen for the changes. So when we are tapping on a floating button application, the state is rebuilding and showing the updated count on a screen. So this is a small application, first application created by us. So this is for, yeah, this is the floating action button we are using, and we are using increment to increment the count. So yeah, this is all about today's lecture, and thank you for being with me. Thank you.